Hello all, I just bought a glue gun from Amazon. Got in. I got two products, one is glue gun and one is glue stick. Yes, I'm from India, that's the reason we have Amazon.in. Let's unwrap one by one, unbox it one by one. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, how beautiful it is. Stanley heavy duty glue shot. I saw many reviews and at last I decided to buy this, and I got this around 600 rupees, and I just need to check how well it works. So far so good. Let's open it up. I'm very bad at opening. My hand. Yeah, actually we do have three variants in this. This is the one which is wired, and the other one is semi-wired, and the other one is wireless. I just bought this wire, and this is very cheap when compared to those. I got this for 600, and the wireless was around 2000 rupees, which was around 3 times more the price of this. I just went with this as a basic thing. Yeah, first of all, you can see it's very good to handle, and it just directly fits in your fist, fits in your hand. And this is the gun which I have now. Yeah, this is a stand which we get after using. We just put it like this. Yeah. Here is a quick instructions guide. I think better to be follow all these things. Always keep safety glasses, that's fine. Extension cords, and do not pull glue sticks from gun. This is a bit comedy thing. Yep. When glue gun is, as I said, you should always use your stand. And apart from this, this is the one which we are looking for. Applications and repairs, for where we can use woodwork, plastics, foam, fabrics, paper. Paper, I think for paper we won't buy this much expensive gun. Cardboard, crevices, repair, book bindings, ceiling windows, tiles, electrical insulation, all those things. Yeah, this is a setup time. We should always, after applying this glue, you should leave it alone for around 25 to 30 seconds. And for only plastic it takes more time, plastic, wood. Other than that, for almost all purposes it's around 25 to 30 seconds. Yeah, this is also from Amazon, as I said before. These are the glue sticks, and the one which I bought supports 11 mm diameter sticks. These are the transparent ones which I bought. These I got around 220 rupees. I got around 25 sticks, and which I got, this is a very good deal, I guess. Yeah, this is the glue stick, which is nice. If you want to see specs, this is a 40 watts gun. This nozzle you should never touch it on real time. This nozzle heats up to 192 degrees centigrade, so you should be always far away from it. And after usage also, you should not put in a horizontal way. You should always hold it in a vertical way. That's the best thing, which is just best advice to keep after usage using this stand. This is the place where we keep this glue stick. Just insert it inside. Yeah, for the very first time it goes this much inside, and now I'm not able to push inside, not more than this. Never put like this. I'm starting from now. I'll just hold like this and I'll put it like this. Yeah, first I'll try it on a paper. Let's turn it on. Yeah, it's turned on. Yeah. I think this is the first time it takes time. Yeah, here we go. This is the first time I'm putting it in glue. Yeah, it melted out. Yeah. This is the glue, and never touch, as I said, tip of the nozzle. And this is the best way to put it down. And just yeah, I can feel the heat. Yeah, just apply it on a paper. Let's wait for 25 seconds. Yeah, it's not at 25 seconds, so it's not yet applied. Yeah, I think it's applied, and we'll just apply on this newspaper again. Yeah, now it's ready to get. Now it's giving fast liquid. Yeah, it's too hot, guys. Be careful while applying it. Yeah, as I said in the instructions, we should wait for 25 seconds so that yeah, if you see, it got melted, and yeah, the paper got glued up. Yeah, it's working, guys. Now let me try on any other thing. Yeah, I found this one piece of wood which was fell down today morning. I'll just try to attach it by sticking it to this. I'll just apply first on this. Yeah, I think this is more than enough. And be careful guys while touching it. Yep, this is working guys. Yeah, it got sticked and it's very hot.
Alright, that's all we have for the day. Encourage us by clicking on the like button. Please do subscribe for more videos and please bless us. And if at all, if you have any feedback, please comment on us. Thank you. Have a nice day.